Adventurers, long time no see. It's the beginning of March. We are, oh God, I'm gonna die. It is roughly 2 months away from KAT. You have been tasked with a silly challenge. Your team gets major points if at least one of you has an unserious bike on your team. Unserious bike qualifies as scooters, pit bikes, mini bikes, like even mini ADV bikes like the DT50, any shifty 50s, anything like that, CT70s, CT90s, passports, anything that's not, next year's 4 model KTM or BMW. Your whole team will get points for having just one of those. This year, ADV's lead horse will be a 2019 Bone Stock Ruckus. That's the bar. That's all you got to do. Among the other challenges, we are, in fact, keeping it medieval. And that means I want to see armor. I want to see jousting safely. Please, God, safety. We will have slow bike jousting on Friday night's award ceremony to appease the Royals, aka Team ADV. The more Farkles that you get on your mini ADV, for example, I have a tow strap on my front rack. We've got a spare fuel can back here. Extra Farkles, luggage, windshields, fog lights. Basically anything that a BMW owner does when they get a brand new bike without having gone anywhere on it. Just buy all that shit and put it on a scooter. The more Farkles you put on, the more points you will get. Do keep in mind, we do have water crossings. That's one of the things I'm a little worried about for my little ruck. The airbox is like an inch above the ground. Not ideal. In a perfect example of why motorcycles and mini ADV are the move. Here we go. A little bit of trespassing goes a long way here at ADV. Again, the whole point of the event is to get new people into the sport and take it less seriously than everybody makes it out to be. I saw an ad on YouTube or Facebook or something like that, and it was some guy decked out to the nines in all the most modern and expensive adventure gear, and he had a little radio on his shoulder and everything. And he's like, we're looking for the toughest hombres. We don't want no sissy boys. And I was like, why are you making this unfun? So, in accordance to ADV's goal, we're here to prove that you can adventure on anything. Last couple years ago, we did a little camp trip on a Tomos. We've taken Shadows off-road. So, bring something stupid, man. It doesn't even have to be road legal at this point. In example, in its current form, this thing will only do 37. Only 37 on a flat with no headwind. The route this year, we've kept a little more local. We won't be running down to Beattyville, so that at any point any of the smaller bikes don't have to run 50 miles down Route 11 for 3 hours. Oh, there she is. There's a beauty of a view. On the route, at any point, anytime you hit any major road, it immediately leads back to the home base of Lil Abner. So help and rescue is never far away, or even if you've just had enough of your little bike, you can just bail. There are no points for finishing first. There's not even points for finishing. All you have to do is take the points sheet that we give you, and I will put out half of the points list in another couple days. and then you'll get a final points list with another half the day of. And all you have to do is, to your interpretation, capture pictures of you and your team doing these challenges on the route that we've set. And it's simple things like packing out trash, helping another team, repairing a bike. Those are the more generic ones, and we'll have some more thematic challenges as the event approaches, which brings me to the other point. This year's event theme is the KAT. We got to hit him with a little dab. Is medieval. It's a Knight's Tale, baby. And we're not talking strictly historical medieval. We're talking more so, you can keep it historical. You can be as accurate as you want. But you can also think high fantasy, Lord of the Rings, yada, yada, yada. You can go Monty Python. You can take a sillier route with it. And I would encourage that. Funny gets you points every time. And that's just solid life advice. I want to see scoots, mini bikes, pit bikes. I mean, I'm talking Apollo 125s. They'll outride this thing off-road. I want to see them on the page. I want to see teams building anything leading up to KAT post-wise. The powers that be do notice and will give points accordingly. This year, Meme War is getting a little late start. So definitely hit up the memes. We need them. I crave them, especially in these dark times. Our stickers have been designed for this year already. They will be available in a chrome gold and a chrome silver. And we might do a few other, solid colors like red and black that will be available day of for qualified riders. We don't chip out for people that don't show up. You know what I mean? You got to be there to get them. So be there. And please, be there on something stupid. Your team gets major points if one of you has an unserious mini ADV. If you show up like last year's winners on the best rigs we've ever seen, it was a team of 3 CT 125s. They showed up at the bike show night beforehand, the Fast and Furious kit, and then they absolutely outrode everybody the next day through the rain, through the water, up the hills, and that's and they took pictures of it. Take pictures, it gets you points. That's how you win. And with that, and with the little ruck cruising around some of these corners out in the hills of Louisville and Kentucky, we will see you at the KAT. If you have questions, do post them. You can email us for the route. I do believe it's posted. There is the website right here. I think we can make it a link. If not, it's down below in the comments. There is a website for all of the information of how the event works and things like that. There he goes! The return dam! All that information, including the route, the itinerary, the schedule, is available on that website. It's also available on our Facebook page if you're still doing that. And if you have any other questions, you can email us at 80vdualsport.com, 80vdualsport at gmail.com. It's super easy to get a hold of us. There's no cost to this. We don't charge a fee. You just show up, man. You don't even have to stay a little Abner. Alex Workman has offered his property up yet again to host camping, and it is a good time. There usually food and festivities are to be had. It's a little more of a rowdy crowd I've seen. But if you don't want to pay for a hotel, you just want to throw a tent in the yard or sleep in the back of your truck, that's even cheaper. So with that, hit up the pages, hit up the emails. ADV Dual Sport on Instagram, another great way to get a hold of us. Post your shit, let us see it. Introduce yourselves. Points for social activity. And for the final time in this video, I will say a mini ADV goodbye to you, adventurers. We will see you at KAT.